How to follow topics on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to follow topics on Pinterest. To get started, let's open Pinterest. Upon opening an account, Pinterest gave you the option to follow different topics in order to customize your home feed according to what you like. While that option is only available for new accounts, if you have an existing account and would like to see other topics on your home feed, here's one thing you can try. Tap on the magnifying glass below to see the popular topics on Pinterest, or just look up a topic you like. And then open a pin related to this topic and tap on the save button. Do this to about maybe 3 to 4 pins related to the topic you selected, and after that, you may now go back to your home feed and do a refresh. Your home feed should automatically update, and you should now see more pins related to the ones you saved earlier. Like mine, for example, I currently mostly have people related pins, but after the refresh, you can see that there are animal related pins as well. You can also try to follow someone who posts a lot of pins related to the topic you like, such as this user, for example, but it looks like this user posts mostly about fashion. But if you're into fashion, then by all means follow this user. And those are 2 ways to follow topics on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comment below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.